What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about major and minor relatives in music theory, so let's get right into it. Okay, so a major and minor relative, what does that mean? Essentially, it means, so for example, right here, we have a C major scale, that's C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. And then over here we have an A minor scale, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If you notice, they're the same exact notes. They just start in different areas. That's all minor and major relatives are minor and major chord scales that are similar, meaning they have the same notes. They're just starting in different positions. Okay. So keep that in mind. You can do some cool stuff, meaning you could switch between minor and major very easily, which normally if you're following the scale, you're going to be doing anyway, because each scale has a certain amount of chords inside that scale. For example, C major has a C major chord, a D minor chord, an E minor chord, an F major chord, a G major chord, A minor chord, and then a B diminished chord. That's where we get all of these roots or these notes, okay? So knowing that, you can switch between tracks very easily if you know the relatives. You can transpose them very easily. For example, say you have a track that is in C major, but then the artist wants it to be in minor or whatever. You could easily transpose that to minor since it's pretty much the same scale. You just got to start differently. Okay, so let's go over some other examples of minor and major relatives. We delete these out of here. Another example of minor and major relatives is E minor and G major, okay? So if we click on major here and put it on G, do the same thing with E here, but for minor, we can see that the notes are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D. So same exact notes. Once again, they're just starting in different areas. So it's very important that you understand what minor and major relatives are. That way you can use them inside your beats and use them if you need to in case an artist needs you to transpose something. It makes it very simple. That's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.